planting, harvesting, expecting, retrospecting. I am Faye, a modern woman engaging in agribusiness field. What does technology mean for agriculture? People ask, explore, practice and verify. For me, pursuing excellence always makes me passionate and free. Each transformation, blooming, shining, makes a better self. This is a game for the brave, not for the faint of heart. Be illuminated until you can shine by yourself, until you can shine for others, until you can shine for the world. Join us, witness 惠达 miracle. Be miracle itself.